Hello student, it is my fifth video. In this video, I will teach you some important rules of chess. First of all, I will tell you what is the illegal move. Illegal move is that move who play against the rule. For example, if you move your rook and capture to g6, it means if your rook move in diagonal direction, then it is a illegal move. You cannot capture the opponent bishop in g6 square. Okay, next. Here you see your king is in e1 square, rook is c1 square, black bishop is in h3 square, black king is on g8 square. Now your turn, your white. If you keep your king in captured square, then it is a illegal move. For example, here you cannot keep the king in f1 square because it is captured by black bishop. So this is the illegal move. Now next, if you left for king to capture, then it is a illegal move. It means if you move a piece and then at the same time your king is being captured by opponent any piece, then it is illegal. For example, here you see your white king is e1 square, black king is e8 square, your bishop is in e3 square, black rook is in e7 square, and also other black rooks is in c5 square. If you move the bishop, capture the black rook, this is the illegal move. You cannot move this bishop because your king is captured by black rook. Again, if check is coming or if you not escape the king from check, it is illegal. Here you see your white king is in e1 square and white rook is in b1 square, black king is in g8 square, black rook is in e8 square. Here you see the check is coming with black rook. So you cannot move your rook in b2 square. This is illegal. Okay. You have to further remember that as per FIDE law of chess, for the first illegal moves made by a player, the opponent shall be awarded extra thinking time on his clock. However, for a second illegal move by the same player, the arbiter shall declare the game lost by this player. The other important rule of chess is touch and move. According to the FIDE law of chess, if the player having the move deliberately touches on the chessboard one or more of his own pieces, he must move that the first piece touches that can be moved, or if the player having the move deliberately touches on the chessboard one or more of opponent's pieces, he must capture the first piece touches which can be captured. The other rule are each move must be made with one hand only. Here you see this is a starting point. If you play e4, opponent play e7 to e5, you play knight f3, opponent play knight c6. If in this position, if you first touch your f3 knight, then it is compulsory to move f3 knight. Now, if you touch the opponent pawn who is on e5 square, according to FIDE law, this pawn is captured by your knight. Here it is compulsory to capture the e5. Now I will teach you about the king. A attack is coming on king. It is called a check. For example, your king is g1 square, black king in f8 square, your rook is a1 square. If you move your white, rook a1 to a8, here you see the attack is coming on black king. This is a check. Now I tell you what is checkmate. Listen. If check is coming and king cannot escape from the check, or the other piece cannot defend the king, this is the checkmate position. It means the game is won by the player who has checkmated his opponent's king. This immediately ends the game. For example, here you see your white, your king is g1 square, pawn is f2, g2 and h2, and your rook is d1 square. Black king is in g8 square, black pawn is in f7, g7 and h7. Your turn, your white. If here you keep the rook d8 square, check is coming. Here you see king cannot move anywhere. So this is a check and mate position. Because you know, if black want to move king f8, this is illegal. King want to move h8, this is also illegal. It is clear. Now, how to win a game? If you have checkmated your opponent, just like it, or if your opponent declares that he has resigned. How a game is drawn? As per the FIDE law of chess, a game is considered drawn when check is not coming and the player has no legal move. This is known as a stalemate. For example, here you see the white king is in e2 square and white queen is g6 square and black king is on h8 square. Here black to move. So here you see black has no legal move. This is the stalemate position. So game is considered drawn. In checkmate, remember, check is coming and king has no square where he can move. Then that is the checkmate position. But in this position, you see, check is not coming and king has no square where he can move. No any pieces of black who can move anywhere. So this is the stalemate, means drawing position. In next video, I will teach you the other kinds of draw. Thank you for watching.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.